Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can harness the power of ClickUp for Agile project management. First off, we're going to create a new project in ClickUp. Simply click on the plus icon near the sidebar and choose Create New Project. The reason we do this is because each project in Agile requires its own unique environment for effective tracking and management. Now that you've created your project, it's time to make use of the Spaces feature. Go to the sidebar and click on Spaces. Here, you can create a new space for each of your teams. This helps us because it allows us to customize workflows and permissions according to each team's needs. Our next step is setting up statuses. Click on Statuses under the Spaces menu and create a status for each phase of your Agile project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These statuses represent the stages in your sprint, helping you track progress visually. Moving on, let's create tasks. Navigate to your project page and click on Create New Task. Input all required details, set its status, and assign it to a team member. This is crucial because tasks are the backbone of your project, and assigning them correctly ensures the work is evenly distributed. Now you've got your tasks set up, let's link them to a sprint. Go to Sprints in the sidebar and click Create New Sprint. Then, link your tasks to this sprint. This gives you a clear time frame in which the tasks need to be completed, promoting efficiency and productivity. Next up, let's talk about ClickUp's Gantt chart. This feature allows you to visualize your project timeline and dependencies. So navigate to the Gantt view in your project and start linking your tasks. This helps us understand the workflow and how tasks are interdependent. In the end, remember to make use of ClickUp's reporting features. They provide valuable insights into your team's performance and project progress. Simply click on Reporting in the sidebar and customize your report. To wrap up, ClickUp is a powerful tool for Agile project management. With features like Spaces, Statuses, Tasks, Sprints, and Gantt charts, it can streamline your project management process and boost productivity. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more such informative content.